Have you had coffee today?
Not yet.
I have a cup for you.
Oh, thank you very much. Now many people like to drink coffee and milk tea, and they use this kind of paper bag. So let us introduce the equipment for making paper bags to everyone.
That's a good idea. The one next to us is our new Watt A220 fully automatic twist handle bag making machine, especially for making coffee bag and other small bags.
Could you please help me to understand the production process of the whole machine?
Sure, the roller paper is fed by hydraulic system, then handle, parts, pasting, and side gluing, and pass through the forming template, traction roller, cutting blade, button indentation, open the button and big joint to form a bag. And finally, the bag will be collected neatly by the collection device.
Next, let me introduce the handle part, including the handle unit and the sticking unit. The paper roll passes through the guide rail and is passed with hot melt glue and water glue, and then reaches our sticking unit. It's controlled by a servo motor, and handle position can be set on the touch screen, which greatly saves operating time and is more efficient. So, could you please tell me more about the operational difficulty?
No, it's easy to operate. The machine consists of 16 servo motors that will make the operational easy. Servo motors make it easy for you to adjust only each part you need to and save 30% time compared with others. What about the machine running speed?
Okay, the model have a maximum speed of 200 pieces per minute. However, the operational speed is dependent with the paper roll material quality and the size of bag you want to make. The inability of the machine to operate at high speed will enable an increase in daily production and output.
I know what makes this model awesome and unique. This speed is because of the high quality parts we produce from our world-class CNC center introduced from Japan.
Okay, hope our video can help you to understand the machine easily.
I hope you enjoyed. Feel free to contact us for any questions and more details.
Looking forward to talking to you more.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.